Yo, what is up everybody, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can find and save Instagram filters. So it's pretty simple to find and save Instagram filters, so follow the steps which I'm gonna be showing you guys so you guys can also find it. And yeah, before I show you the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on if you guys are new to this channel. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So to find and save Instagram filters, first you need to go to the camera of your Instagram. So for that you can just swipe right like this and your Instagram camera will open up just like this. And all the new filters you find are going to be saved over here just like this, alright, as you guys can see. So let me show you guys how you guys can find it. So for this you want to swipe right. You want to swipe right until you see the last option, which is this browse effect. Once you see this browse effect, you want to click on the search icon over here. After you click on it, this page will open up. Once this page opens up, you want to click on this little search icon over here if you want to search for it. But if you see the filter you want over here on this recommended page, you can just click on it like this, and then you can click on this button over here which says, like, you know, download kind of button. You can click on it. It's gonna say saved to camera like this. But if you want to search for it, you can always click on the search bar and then, you know, type the name of the filter. So let's say I want to download Runaway Aurora. I can search for it, and then let's say I want this. I can click on it and I can click on this and it's gonna be saved to my camera. Now I can just go back from here and scroll left, and as you guys can see, all the effects are over here, the Momento and the Runaway Aurora one. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can find and save Instagram filter. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.